Hello, today I'm going to give you a brief overview of the LogixPro software, which is intended to assist you with your programming assignments for the class. So first of all, you must find the icon that you received after you installed the program. Most likely it's on your desktop, so I'm going to double click on mine here. Okay. And you can see the program is actually beginning to load. And this is going to be the default program as it loads up a new program. Okay, almost done. Okay, and now it is completely done loading. So this is the default screens that you're going to see. This guy over here is a wizard. He is here to help you. If you right click on him, you can click hide, or you could double click on him and he would give you some suggestions. But go ahead and click hide for now. Okay, this screen will always come up. It's recommended that you close this with the X, and that'll show you your file structure for the programming assignments. So first thing I want to go over is the simulations here. If you click on simulations, these are all the different I/O simulators. So we're going to be using the I/O simulator here. Now we just clicked it, but it didn't come up. So we must close this window in order to see the I/O simulator. Again, simulators, let's change it to the door simulator. And again, if it doesn't come up, we'll just click on the window there and close it, but typically it'll come up. Now notice that I can drag and move the size of the programming window to fit the actual simulation. So choose another one here, which is the batch simulator, and it comes up as well, and we could fit the windows if necessary. So let's go back to the I/O simulator. Okay, and if it doesn't come up, we would just click this X here. I mean, if it doesn't come up, but just click it again. Okay, now here it's showing that it's not coming up, so all we have to do is click the X and it shows up. Okay, so that's basically a review of the actual simulations. Under File, you got a couple choices to save or save as a picture. I would prefer that you save them as a LogixPro assignment, so always save in this manner for upload. Simulation settings, we won't really do much with these here. Comms, not going to do anything with this here either. And the help, I mean, this is there for you to help you. The actual instruction set reference manual, if you click on that, that'll open up a PDF file which was going to just go over the common PLC instructions that we use with the RS500 software. So that's just a PDF document. Okay, the most important things that we're going to be using is these tabs here: user, bit, timer, counter, input, output, compare. And if we need to get to the rest of them, we just click these arrows here, and that moves all of our tabs accordingly. Okay, so most 99% of the time, everything will be done out of the user tab. If you see, if I click the bit tab, the options change. Timer and counter, and then back to user. So what I want you to see here is if I scroll over each one of these and just let my mouse hover, it tells me what they are: new rung, rung branch, the XIC instruction, the XIO, and the OTE, and then again output latch and unlatch. Okay, so that is a brief review of our instruction sets. Here we have the toggle feature that allows us to toggle between the PLC and the instruction sets. So when we're done with a program, we would want to download accordingly and then put the processor in run mode. So to get back to the instruction sets, you just click here, and that brings the instruction sets. To go to program and download, we would want to click that down arrow there up in the corner, hit download. Now if the processor is scanning, you would see these numbers here changing. So you can always zoom in, zoom out, etc. But this is basically just intended to give you a brief overview of the LogixPro software. In our next lesson, I'm going to take you through and show you how to actually set up a program.